What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about money was only half the story? In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the secrets to mastering money, secrets that could transform your financial life forever. Ready to unlock the power of your wallet? Let's dive in. Money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen, it's a tool, a mindset, and sometimes even a mystery. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase, invest wisely, or just stop feeling like you're living paycheck to paycheck, understanding money at its core is the key to achieving financial freedom. Today, we're breaking down the essentials of money management, so grab a pen and paper, you'll want to take notes. What is money, really? Money is a medium of exchange, a unit of measurement, and a store of value. But beyond the textbooks, it's a representation of trust and opportunity. Understanding this helps you see money not as something to chase, but as a resource to control. Quick fact: did you know that only 8% of the world's currency exists as physical cash? The rest is digital. The psychology of money, how you think about money shapes your financial destiny. Here's what you need to know. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. People with a scarcity mindset focus on limitations, while those with an abundance mindset focus on possibilities. Which one are you? Emotional spending. Have you ever bought something just because you were stressed or bored? Understanding your spending triggers is the first step to gaining control. The 5 pillars of financial success to master money. Focus on these 5 pillars. Earning. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one paycheck. Saving. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Automate it, so you don't even have to think about it. Investing. Start small, but start now. Compound interest is your best friend. Budgeting. Know where every dollar goes. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to stay on track. Protecting. Insurance and emergency funds are your financial safety nets. Common money mistakes to avoid: living beyond your means, not investing early, carrying high interest debt, neglecting financial education, failing to plan for retirement. Action plan: start today. Here's a simple plan to kickstart your financial journey. Set a goal. What's your first priority? Paying off debt, saving for a vacation. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend for 1 month. Create a budget. Allocate your income to essentials, savings, and fun. Learn more. Commit to reading 1 book and taking 1 course about personal finance this month. Stay consistent. Small, consistent steps lead to big results over time. The power of long-term thinking. Building wealth isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. Think about how small habits today compound over decades. For example, investing just $100 a month or a stock market index fund with an average return of 8% could grow to over $150,000 in 30 years. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about being disciplined and patient. Tip: start with what you can afford, even if it's just $10 a week. The key is consistency. Leveraging money to create freedom at its best. Money should give you options to spend time with loved ones, to travel, or to pursue your passions. Here are 3 ways to align your financial goals with the life you want. Invest in yourself, whether it's education, skills, or health. These are investments that pay the highest dividends. Plan for the unexpected. Build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your financial cushion. Give back. Use money as a tool to create positive change in your community. Generosity often brings unexpected returns. Real-life success stories. Sometimes all we need is a little inspiration. Here's an example. Story. Sarah, a single mom of 2, was drowning in debt and working multiple jobs. By following these principles: budgeting, investing early, and staying consistent, she paid off $50,000 in debt in 3 years and started her own small business. Today, she's financially independent and spends more time with her kids. Your story could be next. What steps will you take today? Why financial literacy matters. Financial literacy isn't a skill for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Understanding interest rates, loans, and basic investment strategies can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Action tip: dedicate 15 minutes a day to learning about personal finance through books, podcasts, or online resources. The role of discipline in money management. Discipline is the bridge between financial goals and financial freedom. Whether it's sticking to a budget or saying no to impulsive purchases, every small decision builds a stronger foundation for wealth. How to identify financial goals. Setting clear, actionable goals is key to achieving financial success. Divide your goals into short-term saving for a trip, mid-term buying a house, and long-term retirement planning. Understanding the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Learn how reinvesting your earnings can exponentially grow your wealth over time. Navigating debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, but understanding how to manage and pay it down is crucial. Learn the difference between good debt investments and bad debt high interest loans. Building passive income streams. Explore options like real estate, dividend stocks, and online businesses to create streams of income that require minimal ongoing effort. The importance of networking for financial growth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Networking opens doors to opportunities, mentorships, and collaborative ventures. Developing a wealth mindset. Train your mind to focus on abundance, long-term thinking, and opportunities. Your mindset can be your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. Adapting to economic changes. Learn how to pivot your financial strategy during recessions, inflation, or other economic shifts. Flexibility is a hallmark of financial success. Exploring tax strategies. Minimizing your tax burden legally through deductions, credits, and retirement account contributions can save you significant money each year. Giving yourself grace. Financial freedom is a journey, not a race. Mistakes happen, but the key is to learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. Celebrating small wins. Every milestone matters. Whether it's paying off a credit card or saving your first $1,000, celebrate your progress and use it as motivation to keep going. Mastering money isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Start with small changes, stay curious, and keep learning. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. What will yours be?